Hello friends. Last time we have started transition and inner transition elements in which we have started transition elements. Transition elements are D block elements. In this topic we have seen position in periodic table, electronic configuration of 3D series element, oxidation states of 3D series elements and trends in atomic properties of 3D series elements. Now we are going to start preparation of potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. First we are going to see preparation of potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate can be prepared by using chemical oxidation or electrolytical oxidation. First we are going to see chemical oxidation. The ore used is manganese dioxide, that is MnO2. When a finely divided manganese dioxide is heated strongly with fused mass of caustic potash and an oxidizing agent, potassium chlorate, dark green potassium manganate, that is KMnO4, is formed. In this reaction, potassium chlorate is used as an oxidizing agent. The reaction is 3MnO2 plus 6KOH plus KClO3 when it is heated gives 3K2MnO4 plus KCl plus 3H2O. K2MnO4 is nothing but potassium manganate. This potassium manganate in neutral or acidic medium undergo disproportionation reaction to give KMnO4 and MnO2. Now disproportionation reaction is nothing but self-oxidation and reduction reaction. In this reaction, Mn undergo both oxidation and reduction, that is disproportionation reaction. The reaction is 3K2MnO4 plus 4CO2 plus twice H2O gives 2KMnO4 plus MnO2 plus 4KHCO3. Here potassium manganate is converted into potassium permanganate. The ionic reaction is MnO4 2 minus plus 4H plus gives 2MnO4 minus plus MnO2 plus twice H2O. After filtration and concentration, small and black purple crystals of potassium permanganate are obtained. Now we are going to see preparation of KMnO4 by using electrolytic oxidation. In electrolytic oxidation, alkaline solution of manganate ion is electrolyzed between ion electrodes separated by diaphragm. Overall reaction is as follows: 2K2MnO4 plus H2O plus nascent oxygen atom gives 2KMnO4 plus 2KOH. The oxygen evolved at anode converts magnet to permanganate. The solution is filtered and evaporated to get deep purple black colored crystals of KMnO4. Now we are going to see chemical properties of KMnO4. Now KMnO4 is good oxidizing agent in acidic as well as in neutral or basic medium or alkaline medium. Oxidation of iodide to iodine. When KMnO4 is treated with iodide, that is Ki or any other iodide in presence of acidic medium, gives I2 solution. The reaction is twice MnO4 minus plus 10I minus plus 16H plus gives 2 Mn2 plus 8H2O plus I2. Second, oxidation of Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, that is ferrous ion to ferric ion. Reaction is when KMnO4 is treated with ferrous ion, formation of ferric ion takes place. Reaction is MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus plus 8H plus gives 5Fe3 plus Mn2 plus 4H2O. In this reaction, Fe2 plus oxidized to Fe3 plus, while Mn7 reduced to Mn2 plus. Oxidation of H2S. Now H2S undergo ionization to give 2H plus ion and one S2 minus ion. When KMnO4 is treated with this H2S in acidic medium, following reaction takes place. 5S2 minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus gives 2Mn2 plus 5S plus 8H2O. Next, oxidation of oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is nothing but H2C2O4. When KMnO4 is treated with oxalic acid, it undergoes decarboxylation. The reaction is 2MnO4 plus 5H2C2O4 plus 6H plus gives 2Mn2 plus 10CO2 plus 8H2O. Now we are going to see the property of KMnO4 in weak alkaline medium. First is oxidation of iodide to iodate, that is IO3 minus. When any iodide, that is potassium iodide or sodium iodide, is treated with KMnO4 in water and in alkaline medium, then following reaction takes place. 2MnO4 minus plus H2O plus I minus gives 2MnO2 plus 2OH minus plus IO3 minus. Here iodide, that is I minus, undergo oxidation to give IO3 minus. Second, thiosulfate, that is S2O3 2 minus, is oxidized to sulfate, that is SO4 2 minus. When KMnO4 is treated with thiosulfate in alkaline medium, it oxidizes thiosulfate into sulfate. Following reaction takes place. 8MnO4 minus plus 3S2O3 2 minus plus H2O gives 8MnO2 plus 6SO4 2 minus plus 2OH minus. Next reaction, manganese salt is oxidized to MnO2. When KMnO4 is treated with manganese salt in presence of alkaline medium, then following reaction takes place. 2MnO4 minus plus 3Mn2 plus 2H2O gives 5MnO2 plus 4H plus. In this reaction, Mn2 plus is oxidized to MnO2. Uses of KMnO4. It is used as an antiseptic or disinfectant. It is used in volumetric analysis for reducing agent. It is used for detecting halides in qualitative analysis. It is used as a powerful oxidizing agent in laboratory and industries. It is used to detect unsaturation in given substance like alkenes, alkynes in the laboratory. That is Bayer's reagent. Alkaline solution of KMnO4 is known as Bayer's reagent, which is used to detect unsaturation. Now we are going to start preparation of potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. The overused is chromite ore. Formula of chromite ore is FeOCr2O3. When finely powdered chromite ore is heated with anhydrous sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, and a flux of lime in air in a reverberatory furnace, following reaction takes place. 4FeOCr2O3 plus 8Na2CO3 plus 7O2, when it is heated, gives 8Na2CrO4 plus 2Fe2O3 plus 8CO3. Here Na2CrO4 is nothing but sodium chromate. Sodium chromate, that is Na2CrO4, formed in this reaction is then extracted with water and treated with concentrated sulfuric acid to get sodium dichromate and hydrated sodium sulfate. The reaction takes place as follows. 2Na2CrO4 plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus Na2Cr2O7 H2O. Here Na2Cr2O7 is nothing but sodium dichromate and Na2SO4 is sodium sulfate. In third step, sodium dichromate is converted into potassium dichromate by the action of potassium chloride. Addition of potassium chloride into concentrated solution of sodium dichromate precipitates less soluble orange red colored potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. Following reaction occurs. Na2Cr2O7 plus 2KCl gives K2Cr2O7 plus 2NaCl. Now we are going to see chemical properties of potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7 or potassium dichromate is also good oxidizing agent in acidic as well as in basic medium. First, oxidation of iodide from aqueous solution of Ki by acidified K2Cr2O7 gives I2. Potassium dichromate is reduced to chromic sulfate. Liberated I2 turns the solution brown. Following reaction takes place. K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, plus 6Ki plus 7H2SO4 gives 4K2SO4, that is potassium sulfate, plus K2SO4 thrice, that is chromic sulfate, plus 7H2O plus 3I2. In this reaction, iodide is oxidized to iodine molecule. Next, when H2S gas is passed through acidified potassium dichromate solution, H2S is oxidized to pale yellow precipitate of sulfur. Simultaneously, potassium dichromate is reduced to chromic sulfate, which is reflected as color change of solution from orange to green. Following reaction occurs. K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 plus 3H2S gives K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice plus 7H2O plus 3S. Now we are going to see common properties of D block elements, in which we are going to see first physical properties. All D block elements are lustrous and shining metals. They are hard and have density. They have high melting point and boiling points. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. They have high tensile strength and malleability. They can form alloy with transition and non-transition elements. Many metals and their compounds of D block are paramagnetic in nature. Most of these metals are efficient catalysts. Chemical properties. All D block elements are electropositive metals. They exhibit variable valencies and form color salts and complexes, good reducing agents. They form insoluble oxides and hydroxides. Iron, cobalt, copper, molybdenum and zinc are biological important metals. They catalyze biological reactions. Now we are going to see differences between 3D, 4D and 5D series elements. The elements of first row differ from second and third row in stabilization of higher oxidation state in their compounds. For example, molybdenum 5 and tungsten 6 compounds are more stable than chromium 6 and Mn8. Now molybdenum present in second transition series while tungsten present in third transition series. Chromium and manganese are present in first transition series. Highest oxidation states of elements of first row is +7 and in case of third row it is +8, as in RuO4 and OSO4. Homework for you. Question number first. Which steps involved in manufacture of potassium dichromate from chromite ore? Question number 2. Give uses of KMnO4. Question number 3. What is oxidation state of manganese in MnO4 minus and MnO4 minus? Question number 4. Give the similarities and differences in elements of 3D, 4D and 5D series.